How to fix Outlook not opening. So if you have problems opening your Outlook, typically the problem is that maybe you have installed an update and then that update did not install properly and then it might have some errors. So for example, if you go ahead and click Outlook, so nothing's happening, uh, we have a fix for that. So in my case, I have my Outlook working right here, but I did have some problems before whenever there's like a new update or there is a problem installing the new update. I can't open my Outlook application. So there are a few methods that we can use to fix Outlook not opening, and it all involves using the run command or like the run application. So you can just go to your search and then click run right here. So let me just close this, and then we can use different commands right here. So I have right here different commands that we can use. So the first one is that you can run Outlook in safe mode. So let's copy this and then paste this and then click OK. So that should let you use Outlook properly without having the errors in the updates. And then the next thing is that you can also use this one to run Outlook with resetting the navigation pane. So let's go ahead, open the run command right here, and then just type it in here or just copy and paste it, click OK, and then that should open Outlook for you. And then the last thing is that we can use like a repair option for our Outlook Microsoft 365. So we can just copy this appwiz.cpl, then go ahead, put it in the run command or the run application, click OK, and then this window should open. So you can go ahead and just type in Microsoft 365 right here in the search bar so that you can see it right here. And then you can just click on Microsoft 365, then you can click change. From here, this window will appear, so just click yes, and then you have two options right here. So you have quick repair, so this will fix the issue without needing an internet connection, and then you have online repair. So this will fix all issues that you have with Outlook and the whole Microsoft 365 ecosystem or like their programs. So it's up to you if what repair that you want to use. So if the problem is not fixed by quick repair, usually you need to use online repair, but mostly or most of the time you can just use quick repair and then the problem will be fixed. So again, just use quick repair, click repair, and then you should just click repair right here. Then you will see that it will repair the Microsoft 365 application along with Outlook and all of the other applications. So you just need to wait for this to finish, and then your Outlook application should now be fixed, and then you should now or you can now open it. After completing the repair, you should now see this window right here that the repair is done. So you can go ahead, close this, and then now you should open Outlook normally. And then it should now open for you right here. And then that is it. So that is the things we can do to fix Outlook not opening. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.